once again to my channel. On today's video, oh my goodness, this is gonna be an interesting one because today I'm going to be making OHA soup. And the interesting thing about it is this is my first time making OHA soup, and oh my goodness, it came out so yummy and delicious. And guess what, again, all ingredients, if you watch my previous video, came from Nigeria, like Ninja, everything fresh, everything yummy. But anyway, just come along with me as I make this soup. And as you all know, I love to prepare my ingredients before I start cooking, so that's what you see I'm doing right now. I'm washing my leaves, cutting my meat, washing my stockfish. So stick with me, sit back, relax as I show you how and take you through how I made this. So right now you can see my cut meat and tripe is in the pot. In that, I'm going to add my seasoning cube and my salt, and I'll boil the stockfish alongside with the meat so it softens together, because you know beef can be hard a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to be adding a little water for it to boil. Close it and bring it to a boil. While it's boiling, I wash my leaves. And for my leaves, I'm just going to wash and cut like this. I'm not going to slice it. Okay, so in that bowl I have two types of leaves. I have UZIZA leaf and I have OHA leaf for the soup. Okay, so at the end of washing, I'm going to show you guys the difference. So I'm going to wash the leaves like this. Remember, I love washing my leaves with salt. Yeah, so okay, so the one on my right is the UZIZA and the one on my left is OHA. OHA leaves is very soft. I don't even know how I now understand this leaf. Anyway, it's interesting, you know, like cooking really makes you know so many things, because if you are Igbo, you will know that this is not a soup that the Edos cook, right? So for me, it's something new and I really enjoyed cooking it. The same thing I enjoyed cooking the OFE Onugbu. So in case you're wondering why this mixture, COCOYAM serves as a thickener for the soup. In fact, all types of soups, like if you want it a little bit thicker, then you can add COCOYAM. But if you live abroad and you don't have COCOYAM, you can use Quaker Oats. If you want to see how to use Quaker Oats, you can click on the card on your screen that will take you to my OFE Onugbu soup video to show you how I use Quaker Oats. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna stop talking right now so that you can concentrate and see how I made this, because it's time for preparation. And if you've gotten to this point, you haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button for me. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, oh my goodness, I have a bowl of soup for you waiting for you at the end of this video, so please subscribe before we get to the end. So guys, you can see how it is. It's not too thick, the consistency is just right. And now I'm gonna go in with my leaf So like, guys, my goodness, just look at this beauty. I wish I could sing a song for you guys. I really would have sung a song. Oh my goodness. Your OHA soup is ready to be eaten with any swallow of your choice. But anyway, I had mine with poundo yam, of course. And if you made it to this point, like I promised, here is your bowl of soup to go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.